Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about some key crypto news that you need to know and some key crypto market information that really will impact you and all of your crypto holdings, your Bitcoin, your blue chips, even meme coins, all that. We're going to get into this in this video. And real quick, before we do jump into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I've been watching Sunday football right now here in the States, watching the Philadelphia Browns game? Are you watching some football? Who's your favorite team? Drop in the comments below if you are a big football fan. So love to hear from you. Okay. So yeah, market's down about a 0.2 trillion, 180 billion. Everything is really kind of flat, not a lot going on. XRP's down 1.7, 10 coins down 2, kind of looking. Shiba Inu's down 3. As far as percentage gains, Celestia is up 11. That's the biggest gainer out of the top 100. Chili's, Athena, Brett, a little bit, some meme coins jumping up, Mog. So we got a little bit of movement in the meme coins. I always watch the meme coins. That's where a lot of capital comes back in. A lot of retail dollars come in via the meme coins, the big ones. So let's take a look at kind of what that key information. This is a post here on CoinMarketCap that I thought was a very, very good, quick summation of kind of where we're at and what we've got to look at. And it's coming from Crypto PM. So Bitcoin Market Insight. And I'm just going to really look at kind of jump out at the key things here. So Bitcoin recently took liquidity just below our second entry with an average long entry price of around 60,250. So he's basically saying, hey, look, an average kind of long entry price is around that area. As discussed earlier, all dips are excellent buying opportunities. I agree, especially for blue chip assets. I agree. Okay. But this is what I thought was really good. While it may feel unsettling during these corrections, this kind of these volatility periods where we might have a day where we're up 2% and then have a day today like we're down 1%, it could feel unsettling buying in at these times. It's important to stay focused. This is not a macro bearish trend. And what Crypto PM saying here is we're not in a bearish cycle, right? We've just got a period of correction, some uncertainty and doubt, a little bit in the market. Okay, but here's so I thought that was a really good one or two line thing that I think you should. So this, this does impact you in all of your crypto holdings, looking at buying opportunities, but ultimately knowing that it is a correction period, but not a macro bearish trend. And more to follow. A breakout above 64 to 65 is the key level to watch. Okay. And so we're talking about Bitcoin here, right? So let's take a look at where Bitcoin is right this second, 62,683. Okay. So look for a breakout above 64 to 65, and that's the key level to watch, potentially signaling a run towards testing a new all-time high. All right. So, and to take a look at that, our all-time high, and I'll show you where you can find that if you actually were curious about that. All-time high is 73,750. So we're just shy. We're a little over 10,000 away from that number, almost exactly. 11,000. Excuse me. Don't do math in public. Okay. So I'm still anticipating an all-time high test by late October or early November with no changes in bias or timeline. So we could see again Bitcoin, moving up 10, a little bit to 10, just shy of maybe 18, 20%, give or take. Okay. Would put us at that point where we need to be. Key takeaways: Max Pain scenario could involve 1 or 2 more weeks of market consolidation. Remember, I've been talking about that consolidation. You can kind of see it right here. So if we kind of take a look at a broader picture here, and I realize these lines are not in the exact perfect place. It's hard to do when you're talking at the exact same time. We've really got kind of a consolidation period here, right? So we've been in this since, early October, right? So we all know in early October, we had the Israel-Iran war conflict going on there. That's still there. We've had other scenarios. A CPI, Consumer Price Index report, came in a little bit hotter than expected. What's the Fed going to do or not going to do, so forth and so on. Targets remain unchanged. Patience is key as we wait the next move. Okay. So I thought that was a really, really good Max Pain scenario. Could involve 1 or 2 more weeks of market consolidation, but Crypto PM is talking about testing an all-time high by late October or early November. And I agree. I tend to agree, right? We know also, taking a look at this chart, historically, if you look at 2020 right here on the 2020 right there, on October, November, December, 2020 was a Bitcoin halving year. We were up 27, 42, and 46 respectively in those months. 2016 was another Bitcoin halving year. We were up 14, 5, and 30% in those respective months. And if you look down here on the averages, in October usually is up about 20 all the way averaging back to 2013. We're averaging up 20, just shy of 21%, 46 and 5 in the months of October, November, December, respectively. Okay. And so again, I think we are in Bitcoin halving year, which is why I really pointed you at the 2020 and 2016. This is coming from Rec Capital over on X. So give them a look if you are so inclined. But I think ultimately, I like what I'm seeing here. And I thought that this was a really good summation of where we're at with what some things Crypto PM was talking about. All right. I'll see you. Go make some money. Take care.